So, continuing with consumer, we've already seen who a consumer is, how does he get cheated and why does he get cheated. Now, let's look at the rights of the consumer. There are certain basic rights which all consumers need to enjoy. The first is right to safety. That is, whatever product you buy, it must be ensured that it is safe for usage. So, the first right of a consumer is right to safety. Second is right to choice. That is, a consumer should have sufficient number of choices available in the market and he should be able to choose from those products, and that will actually give him a sense of being a true consumer. That's his second right. The third right is right to be informed. That is, he must have a clear knowledge of what he is buying, what is the quality of the product, how long it will last, all these things, the price which he needs to pay. So, the consumer needs to be informed about all the things that he is buying. Next is right to redressal. Now, what is right to redressal? Right to redressal is, supposing I buy something and the claim was it is safe, it is going to last long, but what happens? Either there is a problem with the safety of the product or there is a problem with the durability of the product. That is, I have been cheated somewhere. Then I can actually go to the consumer court, and that is the redressal. That is, I can ask back for the money that I have paid and also for the compensation, that is to say that I have been cheated. That is the right to redressal. Next is right to be heard. Now, right to be heard is, supposing I have been cheated of something, then I should be able to tell it to the world so that they do not get cheated in the similar manner. That is, I should be able to write somewhere in the newspaper, magazine, print media, or tell it on the some other media, so that the people are aware of the fact that it was not a product worth buying. That is called right to be heard, when whatever you are wanting to tell the people is being heard by them. Next is consumer education. Well, this is one field where the government has to really work, because the consumers in India do not have the required education of what they should buy and from where should they buy and how should they buy. This consumer education lacks in India, therefore, all the cheating is being done. So, in fact, all these rights of the consumer, if they are met with, then nobody can dare to cheat us. If we have the right to safety, right to choice, right to be informed, right to redressal, right to be heard, and right to consumer education, then we are a perfect consumer.